Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming what edition and build you already have, because that determines upgrade paths. First, open Settings and check About, note Edition and Build. Once done, back up important files to an external drive or OneDrive. This avoids data loss during version changes. Make sure you have at least 20 GB free, a stable Wi-Fi connection, and an administrator account so you can approve changes and run installers without interruption. Now decide whether you'll change Edition via activation, perform an in-place upgrade with the Media Creation tool, or use an ISO for a clean install. If you have a new product key, go to Settings Activation and enter it to switch editions. For full installers, download the official ISO or Media Creation tool, mount the ISO, then run Setup as administrator. Once started, follow prompts. Choose Keep Files to preserve data, or Custom Install for a fresh system. To finish, reboot and confirm the new edition and build in Settings About, then run Windows Update until everything is current. You should reinstall or restore apps and files as needed, and verify device drivers in Device Manager. If activation doesn't succeed, double-check the product key and internet connection. Make sure S mode or edition restrictions weren't blocking the change. If problems persist, use Activation Troubleshooter or contact Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.